Let's think what the genesis of FANG was, and that was 8 years of hyper-aggressive monetary policy, and that has created inflated asset prices. Well, you know, FANG or parts of FANG have gotten to the point where they're saturated and they're no longer growing as quickly as they would be. But monetary policy really hasn't changed. I mean, yeah, the Fed's tightened a little bit, but the Bank of Japan continues to be hyper-aggressive, as does the European Central Bank, Sweden, South Korea. Pretty much everywhere you look around the globe, money is being created hand over fist. That finds its way into asset pricing. And so the chips are just going to change to a different side of the table here. As Facebook and maybe Netflix go down, that money's going to find its way into other assets, other securities. And so overall, the market won't be that greatly impacted, in my opinion.
Okay, so you think the greater threat to the overall market isn't the pulling back of these very, very hot momentum stocks akin to what we saw back in 1998 and 2000, but rather when monetary policy finally starts getting tighter all over the world, whenever that's going to be.
That's the engine that created FANG. It's going to create something else. And as long as these policies remain in place, that dough is going to find its place, find a place to go somewhere, be it real estate, be it convertible bonds. It's just going to find some other form to express itself.
Let me ask you this, though.
Until these policies change.
Facebook is off by roughly 20% today. Maybe it's not going to grow at 30+%, but it's still going to grow quite fast. Are you tempted at all by this stock at this point when you have a single-day slide like that?
It's not the kind of stocks I buy. I look for value, and even at these prices, it's not a value. You may be able to make a GARP argument here, growth at a reasonable price, but it's certainly not a cheap stock. It's a wonderful company, but it's still priced pretty high. Okay. I think there are other areas of the market that are exhibiting value right now that all this money hasn't found its way to, and that's where I would be looking to invest.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.